What is this?
Well, actually, I think it's another of our clocks, but I'm not sure which one.
Oh, that was... I was thinking
Yeah,
about something else. But anyway.
We brought them for the bedrooms, but there was one to go in one bedroom and one to go in the other, so let's see.
Is a bed? Is it a bit
No,
too
it's not
small?
a bedroom, it's a clock for the room upstairs.
It's mattress.
Come on, let's just do that.
Okay, I've cut this.
Okay,
Pull it.
Oh, it's,
Oh!
it is the clock he said it was. He said it was
Carve
his moon
man, wood grain clock, home
clock.
direction.
Yes, he said he wanted that one. Yes, it is your clock.
That's a moon clock.
Mm-hmm.
And it's beautiful.
Yes, I was hoping it would be the one for the front bedroom. Well, I'm sure it's on it.
I think it's a pizza.
Looks like a delivery pizza box.
Let me just have to cut
Unfortunately,
this.
no, I would like.
You want a pizza, huh, do you?
Well, actually, I would thank you very much.
Let's
but
see. Wish that it's a pizza. It may turn a pizza. Please turn to a
I'm getting
pizza.
hungry.
So, is it going to be pizza?
Well, the first thing I thought of when I saw a box this size and depth was a Domino's pizza.
So you are hungry, you mean?
Well, I'm getting hungry because I'm thinking about all the cheese and the tomato.
Oh, olives.
Like full cheese and
Oh,
olives.
what's that?
Well, it's obviously you have to stick it on yourself. Oh, you have to. Oh, now this will make him happy. He has to assemble it himself.
Oh, okay.
Well, off you go then.
Okay, let me do it now. Okay, these are the golden hands. This is something to stick it, I suppose, to the wall. I mean, just to skip that.
I think they obviously had
Oh, there is a...
oh, you have to put these. Where is it?
Yeah, you remove it. You remove it.
Oh, you remove the plastic.
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure I've got the right size?
I don't know.
Well, no, neither do I.
Okay, let's just see which side comes off
Are you
first.
sure it's... Did you
Nothing
know
on
it was
it.
going to come on? Because you did tell me some of them you have to stick.
Nothing
No,
underneath?
there's nothing. I'm afraid you'll have to read the instructions.
There is no
I
instruction.
think this is... I think you have to-
Inside it, nothing else?
No.
Yeah. Okay, you were laughing at me. My pizza is
Let me
here.
put my finger on that. I think...
Oh, I can see the lunar
I
features.
think
Ah,
anyone
it's
that wants a
protected.
moon clock must be intelligent and could put it together themselves.
Okay, just can you remove your hand
Yeah,
first?
okay,
I want to
sure.
put it towards you. Uh-huh.
Crumbs, that's hard. It's not wood.
Protect it.
It's like a...
Plastic.
It's plastic.
Oh, I have a moon clock.
It doesn't shine in the dark, does it?
No, I didn't get
Oh,
that one because I like this one with the golden hands. Probably I should get I can get a shiny one.
No, you got one now.
Can put two
You're happy
sides. I
with
don't need to
that?
turn my head.
You don't need two clocks.
Can you hold it in your hand?
Okay.
It's an egg moon. No, I have to install the mechanism and the hand. Okay, Susan, help me. This has to go on the mechanism's thingy. Mechanism is underneath, okay? Put it on
We'll
the
have
top.
to do it.
Ah, okay, it goes there.
Yeah, but we have
Now
to
we
make
have
sure it's in proper alignment.
One hand.
Wouldn't it be better if you put it both hands on number 12? Like...
So that's the bigger hole, so you must go in the tinier,
Yeah,
bigger
the big
shaft.
hand always goes first, doesn't it?
Yeah, the little hand goes first. Because this is the bigger hole. Let me up to use both hands. Then, this is a smaller one, I just want to tell. The smaller goes on the top one. Then there is a kind of like a nail goes on top of them. His nail and holds them together. Let's just do it. Okay, I put it there. Is now. That's nice. Then the second one. I have to put, yeah, you have to use this gentle force, not much. It goes inside that bigger part of that central shaft. Okay, now this nail, this thingy, has a hole at the center of it. So this hole goes into the central hole here. So let me do this. And there's a hole here. And it goes into that hole. Yeah, you put it there and then you press it. I suppose. Yeah. That's it. It's fit now. Now we need just a battery. Let me bring a battery. Okay, Dad. Can you put the battery, darling? Or should I put it myself? Hold it. Don't make our mistake. There is something here that you have to remove.
It's like a washer, isn't it?
Yeah, that's like a washer. The thing goes on it, and then you screw it back. So we noticed that the back is loose. So that was because of this. Now we can tighten it up and put the hands back. And the 12 on the top of this. Okay, you can see actually from behind also. And now we put the hands back. First with the small one, then the big one. The same again. Small hand is installed. Now we go for the big hand. Big hand is also installed. Now we go for the pin. Okay, now I'm going for the battery. Hold it, darling, at an angle so I can look at it. Oh, isn't it elegant? I prefer this one to those glowy ones. Those glowy ones look a bit childish. Nice. We have to adjust the time. And this is the wall clock with the moon on it.